August, Pennsylvania cooking. Today I'm doing a pork tenderloin. I was over at Davy's Fresh Market over in Elysburg, which is basically a Mennonite store that's on steroids. They have everything. I mean everything. And the prices are really good. Got a beautiful pork tenderloin for like $7. So that's going to be supper, and I want to do red cabbage with it. And I'm doing a little bit different variation than on the recipe that I've had in the past. And this is red cabbage and apples. And this was actually sent to me for Christmas and a Christmas card from Valerie Raymond. So this is her recipe. When you guys send me Christmas cards with the recipes exchange for my Happy Holidays series, I look at these and we'll try them out here for the future. So this is one that's going to be tried out today, is red cabbage and apples. And I mean, that's perfect with pork. Who doesn't love that? So it's pretty simple. I'll be able to put it in the oven with my pork tenderloin. So let's get to it. Perfect for these winter days. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Small head of red cabbage, 3 apples, half a cup of red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of ground cloves. And we're going to grate that all together and mix it together and put it in a baking dish, and we'll go in the oven with my pork tenderloin. Valerie's instructions said to slice the red cabbage up really thinly, but you know, I'm lazy. I've been really busy and stuff, so since I had to grate the apples anyway, I just grated it all. And it ought to actually cook more uniformly that way. Oven's preheated, 350 degrees, and gonna do it for, I think she said about 45, what'd she say here? 45 minutes to an hour. It also can be a slow cooker recipe. Okay, and I just threw my sugar in with my red wine vinegar and cloves, and we'll mix that all together. Basically making that good PA Dutch sweet and sour. So we'll get that all mixed in, and then I'm going to put it in my casserole dish. I'll get ready to put it in the oven along with my pork tenderloin. Makes a pretty dish too. I love the color. Okie dokie. We'll see it when it comes out. And it's done. Doesn't it look good? I'm gonna pair that with some pretty good garlic pepper crusted pork tenderloin. This is the pork tenderloin, and I was using the Pampered Chef crushed peppercorn and garlic. Yum. And running it out with some mashed potatoes. Let's give a taste to our cabbage. So there's what it looks like. As you can tell, it's nice and hot. Give it a try. Like I said, this is a typical PA Dutch sweet and sour, very German type of way of doing red cabbage. But it's a little different than the way I normally make it. And I like the addition of the apples. That's good. It's about the right amount of sweet and sour. That's good. And it's very tender. Very, very good. It'll be perfect with a pork tenderloin. So that's the red cabbage and apples from Valerie Raymond from Maryland. So Valerie, thank you. Thanks to everyone who sends me recipes, especially during my Helga's Happy Holiday series. There's more coming up from you guys, the viewers, subscribers, watchers, and I appreciate anyone who sends email or regular mail with recipes, or even if you message me, I appreciate those interactions, and it's nice to connect with you guys. So that's Valerie's red cabbage and apples. Great winter dish. Get your cabbage on, especially this time of year. It's good and healthy for you. And it's a low-calorie food. So eat your cabbage and enjoy.